Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 apps to increase your knowledge for free. Watch this video till the end and do not miss any part of this video because this video is going to be very helpful for you guys since it's lockdown right now. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to not miss out any content further. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first app that I recommend and I suggest you is Upwork. So this is the app. Basically it's meant for freelancers and for people who want to work from home since it's lockdown right now. So here you'll be able to work online. So all you have to do is you just need to download this app from Play Store. And guys, all the apps that I'm going to mention in this video are available for free on Play Store, so you don't have to pay for any of these apps. So once you open the app, you just need to go to your profile section, and here all you have to do is you just need to upload a professional bio. So the bio consists of a general bio, an hourly rate, availability, and your skill set, certifications, employment history, education, and other experiences. So according to the category that you select, you'll be able to find all the jobs that are in your category on your feed. So these are the jobs that are available for me in the category that I have selected. So once you are able to find the job that you want to apply for, you can see the budget, which is $110 in this case, and expert and experience level. And here you'll be able to find the requirement of the job. So this is basically a website organization optimization. So as you can see here, it says the requirement is to only speed up the load time so my SEO can be boosted. I need it done fast. So all you have to do is you just need to have a good SEO skills to apply for the job. And once you have applied for the job, you will be able to get the proposal and contracts of the job that you've selected. So guys, this is the app from which you can make sure that you are able to get genuine proposals and you'll be able to earn good money and at the same time increase your knowledge for free. So the second app that I suggest is QuizUp. So this is the app. This is basically a game where you'll be able to find a lot of topics and a lot of trivia. So as you can see, you'll be able to browse through multiple tournaments, and this is an online app, so you'll be able to play with your friends. So all you have to do is you can just search for a topic that you want, and there are infinite number of topics that you can go through in this app. So once you have selected the topic that you want to play, and once you click on play, you'll be able to find all your Facebook friends here. And guys, you need to log in with your Facebook account in order to see all your Facebook friends here. So if you click on any friend, it sends a request to your particular friend that you have selected. Or if you want to play with a random opponent, you can just click on random opponent and the game will start. So now let me just go through a small game for you guys to understand this app. So let's begin the game. YouTube. And guys, this app is pretty entertaining and amazing, guys. So this is Domino's. Oh shit, it was Caterpillar. Wrong guys though. So as you guys can see, there are a lot of questions that I asked you. Oh my god. So guys, this is an app where you can have fun with your friends and play to increase your knowledge. The third app that I suggest is EDX. So this app is basically meant for online courses. So if you want to apply for any course that you want to have a look at, you can do it this app. So suppose now let me just search in for Java. So here you can find courses, programs and degrees. So if you want a degree, you can even study a complete degree online, and by the end of the year you'll be able to get all the certificates from the degree. So as you can see, there are a lot of programs, and if once you click on any program, you can be able to select whether you want to get a certificate. If you want to get a certificate, you have to pay a small amount of money. So now let us just go down, and as you can see, these are the instructors and what you'll get to learn. So as you can see, pursue with a verified certificate to highlight the knowledge and skills you gain. So the certificate cost is $90. So if you want a certificate, you have to pay $90, or else it is free of cost. So this is the third app that I recommend. The fourth app is Upgrad. So Upgrad is also an app where you will be able to find various courses, and the courses can also be in the form of videos. So if you want to search any video of a course, or if you are missing a chapter of your lesson, you can be able to find it on here in this app, which is Upgrad. So now let me just click on data science, and here as you can see, you will be able to find a vast category to browse through. So you'll be able to find PG, diploma and data science, master of science in data science. So as you can see, the duration is 18 months and the format is online, and you'll have to apply with a batch. So the upcoming batch is on June 30th, 2020. So you can even download the syllabus and you can even talk to a counselor. So this is an app where you'll be able to find vast category of courses that you can apply for. So that was the fourth app, guys. The fifth app is an extraordinary app, and this is the app which is created by India. So in this app, you'll be able to apply for internships. All you have to do is you just need to download this app, and here in the three dots, you have to just click on edit resume. So here you'll have to enter some of the basic things that you have to upload in order to get approval from bigger brands. So as you can see here, you have to enter your skill set and your education, and if you have a job or if you have any other internships or trainings, you can apply, you can fill it out over there. So, and the next thing that you have to do is here when you click on edit preferences, here you will be having to enter the category of job that you want to get into. So once you click on internships, here you will be able to find all the internships that are in your category that you've selected. So once you click on any internship, so as you can see, this is all work from home since it's lockdown right now. So here you can see it is 1000 rupees per month and the duration is 2 months. So if you want to apply for the internship, you just need to click on apply now, and here you'll be able to find all your bio details. So these bio details will be sent to the brand that you are applying for, and once you click on proceed to application, here you'll be having to enter some of the details that the brand asks you for approval. So once you enter all the answers and click on submit application, your application will be verified by the duration of 2 or 3 days, and then you'll be able to work for an internship of a particular brand. So this app is very amazing. As you can see, you can earn and gain knowledge at the same time. So this is the fifth app that I recommend you. So guys, this was it for the videos. These are the top 5 apps to gain knowledge for free. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to not miss out any content further. So guys, that was it for the video. Thank you for watching it till the end. And if you have any questions about this video, you can ask me down there in the comment section. I'll be glad to solve each one of your questions. So that was it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching it till the end.